What's up, CyberHawks? It's your man Eric, and yeah, I can't find my mic, so we're using the one I use from some other YouTube channels, like my gaming one. And yeah, the importance of having cybersecurity has grown exponentially. If you guys haven't heard already, Microsoft bought Activision Blizzard for like what, 68 billion dollars, so dang near 70 billion dollars. Now, if you guys don't know, Activision and Blizzard, they're both gaming companies. Activision has like games like Call of Duty, for example, a lot of these old school Spider-Man games. Blizzard has World of Warcraft. I believe Blizzard also has Hearthstone and a lot of other games that makes a lot of money. Now, the reason I'm saying that this is going to be super important even more now, Microsoft spending that much money, which on that just shows how many people are playing games now, and games are becoming even more digital. I did a video talking about how I got hacked on PlayStation, right? Like the first week, or like the second week I got my PlayStation, or right after Christmas, my PS5, I'm already getting hacked. I haven't got hacked on Xbox yet, but it may be coming soon for other people. But yeah. Having good security right now is going to be even more prominent because there's going to be a lot more hacking. A lot of games are becoming, I guess, okay, what's the word for it? Like for Xbox, for example, the Series S, and you got the PS5 disc-less version. So they're already creating systems where you don't have a disc. So pretty much everything is just going to be digital. So somebody hack your account, they can take all of your freaking games. So you don't want that to happen. You don't want to spend all that money on Fortnite for new costumes, spend all that money on new games, and somebody just hacks you and take all of your games just like that. And that's happening even more just for the fact that Microsoft bought this. They know, they already know a lot of people are just getting a lot of their games digitally. Game Pass for Xbox, that thing is huge. If you guys don't know about that, pretty much they have like hundreds and hundreds of games that you can pretty much just buy. I mean, pretty much just get with the Game Pass Ultimate. It's a subscription you're just paying. And a lot of games, I believe in the future, are going to be more towards this subscription type service, which makes having good cybersecurity, good email password. I mean, a good, hard password that you can't get, your stuff stolen, two-factor verification. Another thing I'll kind of learn about today, the double blind password, things like that is stuff that you kind of had to, you're going to have to be kind of looking towards, just for the fact that somebody can just take your account and then play all your games. PlayStation has horrible protection against that. The fact that somebody was able to just come to my account and just change the email, and I don't get any notification until after everything's done, and the person I'm assuming the person is in a whole different country. Come on now. At least with Spotify, like they'll let me know kind of what country they're trying to hack me from. But I've had some bad stuff with Spotify too. This was before I really got into all the cybersecurity stuff. I doubt that I'm going to be getting hacked now on any of my accounts. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to let you guys know, a little hindsight or a little foresight on the future of, I guess, the importance of cybersecurity even more, even in stuff that you would not think you would need this stuff for, and that's gaming. So yeah, be on the lookout for things becoming even more digital, subscription services from the different game publishers being more of the norm. And be sure you have a good solid password, two-factor verification, so you don't have to worry about somebody jacking all your games, just like they did to me almost. I mean, they did take my account, but I was able to get it back that same day. But I don't want you guys going through that stress, man. Especially if you had a whole bunch of games. I had just got the PlayStation, and I think I had like Spider-Man and like a couple other games. If I had like all the games I have on my Xbox, like 100 plus, I would have been super pissed. But anyway, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.